Hi guys, Cynthia here, and today we're doing some garden cleanup and a little bit of harvesting, which you guys already saw, and some staking of this watermelon. So I have let me see what I have here. This is called a black diamond, and I believe this one, I can't see what it is. But I have two miniature watermelons here. You can see that I do have a ton of little watermelons. It's nearing the end of September. I'm not exactly sure if they're going to come to fruition. I'm not sure what happened this year. It took a long time I had to restart the seeds. I had an issue with my melons. They just didn't do well. The first seedlings died because I kind of put them out here too soon. Like I didn't do the whole like waiting, and then it got cold, and so that's kind of what happened. I'm currently watering the back uh, section here. This section got 25 minutes. This one got 25 minutes. That one also got 25 minutes. I have to switch it over to this bed, and then we're going to continue with the cleaning. So next we're going to cut back these marigolds. You can see that they are just, they're, I don't know why they got so big. These were supposed to be like small marigolds, like 12 to 14 inches, and they are way over that for sure. Next year I will only be doing these cute little mini yellows. I'm also going to go ahead and just get rid of like the ugly leaves of this cucumber. I never keep like leaves that look like this. This just looks like it's harboring disease. So we've had a few frosts already, which is devastating. I live in upstate New York, zone 6A/B, but we are prone to devastating winters. Um, Feet and feet of snow, at least three to 4 months of like snow. Alrighty. I'm going to remove this pickling cucumber. It has done nothing for me at all. I got two awkward cucumbers. I want another awkward one. Let me show you. What in the heck? What in the heck? It looks, oh my God, it looks like a bird. Tweet, right? Funny. All right. Let's get rid of that. Just no need to have it. I am not going to pull it out of by its root. I'm just going to cut it way back. There we go. Gone. I'm sure it'll probably grow back, but not interested in it. Just getting rid of anything disease ridden. My gosh. Ugh, I'm just going to get rid of this entire branch. There really is no need to keep anything that looks nasty. Just get rid of it, guys. Don't harbor it around. Don't do any of that. It's not worth ruining your garden. And also the aesthetic of the garden. You know what I mean? I want my garden to look nice also, on top of it being productive. So bye-bye spotty, nasty leaves. All right, that's good enough. This one here is getting a little too large, you could see. So perfect. That's it. Let's see. Gorgeous. Better. I'm telling you right now, I will not grow these big ones again. They are so annoying. literally annoying. Over here, I have this sunflower that needs to go. I'm just cutting it at the base. You can see it was done a long time ago. The birds got every single, oh no, they didn't. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at all the seeds. Can you guys see that? Look at all the seeds. We were harvesting these seeds. I will not just throw this out. Over here in this bed, we're going to do the same thing. Just tame these marigolds a little bit. Look at that. Just wild. And then there's just a bunch of nasty leaves in here. Look at this. Yuck. Just seeing where it's all connected so that I don't get rid of anything that is worth keeping. And to be honest, this entire stem, pointless. There we go. Was literally just making this look danky and dirty, which I have a cantaloupe here. I just got to pay attention to where that's connected. This is still connected. Perfect. That's much better. I mean, it's looking bad, but that's okay. Okay, so now we're going to move to the outer side of the beds so that we can clean those marigolds up because they are also nasty. Same thing over on this side. The sun is making it hard to see, but just this entire marigold section is got to go. Okay, so that is fine. That one looks fine to me. Next order of business, I have a dead blueberry in my little bed. So, oh, before we do the blueberry, let's deal with this beautiful dahlia. Look how gorgeous it is. You guys, look at that. So, so pretty. I'm just going to deadhead it. It literally is a stunner. I have not cut any in to bring inside, and I probably should. This is absolutely probably my favorite. This is called the Sunny Boy. I highly, highly recommend if you guys like ball dahlias. And what's really pretty, let me get rid of this one. It's not fully spent, but it's nearly spent. So I'm just going to get that one too. What's really pretty about this dahlia is that it has several different types of blooms. So it's supposed to be a ball dahlia, as you can see with this bloom here. But look at this bloom. Oh, it's almost spent. I'm trying to see if I can find another one. It's just like, it was just flat. Oh, I'll put up a picture because It was so beautiful. I really was amazed by how gorgeous this dahlia has been all summer. I'm really actually pleased with this entire um, mix that I did. I absolutely love it. I mean, look at that. The lantana, these are proven winter lantanas, and these are uh, sweet potato vines by Monrovia. So, but I just love that look. First of all, lantana is probably my new favorite plant. It's so, so pretty. I just did one container of lantana right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that alone has just taken and blown my mind. Next, we're gonna go to get that dead blueberry out of here. So let's go do that. In here, I have a dead blueberry that I completely forgot about. I've decided that I probably will definitely buy another blueberry plant. I just have to do some research about which kind I want. And then I'm going to have a different bed for my strawberries. Oh yeah, dead. Look at this. It barely even rooted out. It didn't even root out. Well, it's no wonder it's dead. That's sad. It's not dry. It's just, it looks like root rot maybe. I don't know, but I'm glad it's gone because I was sick and tired of looking at it. Much better. Oh, a weed. Oh no, it's one of those nasty weeds that hurt. Okay, weed gone. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to leave the video here. I'm trying to look around to see what else I have to clean up. There is nothing currently in the veggie garden area. Definitely by the house, but I'm not going to do that today. As you can see, it's getting dark. So I think I'm going to leave the video here. I'm glad I got everything I got done. Definitely, like it's just, towards the end of the season, things are not looking great except for this dahlia. I will forever grow this dahlia. The bumblebees, the butterflies. Everybody loves this dahlia, and so do I. From the house, you can see it. It's this bright, gorgeous yellow, and you can just see it. It's like a beacon. I definitely suggest you guys grow this dahlia. There is Marble Ball, Sunny Boy, and then there's one more that I am definitely going to grow again next year. And I'm going to put my dahlias out here, and I'm thinking either making a bed of dahlias because I'm, going to build some more beds with you guys here soon, or doing, 3 different containers of just gorgeous dahlias, kind of like this. The situation with this is that they grow enormously tall. So I wanted to have the barrels in the front of the garden. So that's where it's getting a little bit iffy because I don't want anything to cast shadow to the veggies and things of that nature. Yeah, I'm pumped, guys. I have not been this excited about my plans for next year, and I'm really excited to share them with you. And I'm really excited to start moving this area around and showing you guys what we're going to do there. But I'm going to leave the video here, guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I would love to have you. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow.